y'all going on about? Other than it's hot. And I have a whole bunch of material I need to move. And I keep hearing thunder. So I'm just gonna kind of jump straight in. Was out here earlier today doing some stuff, kind of getting the bench, the school bus bench knocked out. That was part 2. So if you've missed out on that, definitely get over and check that out. It's greatly appreciated. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but we have stuff coming. So this is what I need to do. I need to get this rock kind of spread the best that I can. My other cameras are kind of been overheating and stuff. It's just so hot, and they're currently downloading. So right now I'm out here on my phone. So yeah, I need to get some of this rock spread out. So let me do a quick before and after, and let me just get this knocked out quick, and then we'll bring you back, because I actually wanted to show you something that we talked about on Monday's Scuttlebutt. If you didn't know we had a side channel, yeah, we have a side channel, the Scuttlebutt with IFFF. So definitely get down to the description, hit that link, check it out, or hit that little icon at the end of every single video we have. Get over there. But we haven't seen old Bob in a while. Kind of wonder where he's at. I don't know. Anyway, here's a before and the after. And it's still thundering. So I'm going to continue going down. So like I've said before, well, I don't know if I've said it before yet or not. We're putting this down, so this SB2 is going to be a base layer. It's a base layer, right? So obviously it's not going to be 100% leveled out, smooth. All it's really doing is giving us that base layer, but it also gets rid of all of this super dusty, muddy stuff whenever it rains, right? So I'm going to continue putting all this right here in this area, but eventually it is going to be also coming back here. I need to do a little more work back here, right? I'm going to be getting back here because I still got stumps I got to take out. So I will be doing that next week. Okay, we'll be getting out some more stumps, and then I need to be making a pad basically right here where the dirt is, kind of like where the stump is, because this is where the playhouse is going to sit. All right, so I need to make a nice flat pad, and then we're going to be taking the playhouse and we have to skid it. We got to take it off of its foundations that it's in, and we have to bring it all the way down. So I want to be able to have this nice and compacted, the best that it can get, you know, because obviously it's going to leave marks in the yard, it's going to leave marks in the dirt, it's going to leave marks in this grass, but I want to be able to bring that playhouse all the way back here and then set it here. And I'm going to try to attempt to do that with a tractor, just pulling it all the way back here on its own skids. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know. That's going to be a project for another day. That's not what's coming next. So I'm going to continue doing this. I'm still working on this area up here as well, because before I can move that, I need to move that and get rid of this. So that's the projects we're going to be working on, coming up very, very, very soon. But right now I'm waiting on Gladys to get back. She should be coming back here fairly soon, because I'm just about out of diesel. And yeah, I don't like running a diesel engine dry, so it's a pain in the butt trying to get it going again. So I'm gonna wait for that to get here, and then also kind of working around this thing. And now my phone's getting hot, because it's hot out here, y'all. It's really hot. All right. See you in a sec. Here we are on to another day. I actually got some more diesel for the redheaded mistress, and that name is actually going to be picked here really soon. So as you're watching this, it is now Friday, and yeah, it's still stupid hot. But I've looked on our 10-day outcast, weather forecast, right? And it's actually calling next week to be a high of 79. 79. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it's the humidity and the heat here. It's one of those that the second that you walk out the door, it smacks you in the face. Your glasses get all fogged over, you can't see. And we're so ready for fall weather. So ready. But anyway, I'm letting that kind of cool off in the cab a little bit, air conditioning. Just let the tractor warm up some. I mean, outside's plenty warm enough. But I already got this down. I'm going to continue doing that path over there. And then we're going to kind of jump back here and also kind of get some of this dirt moved around. I may or may not jump onto the backhoe to start doing stumps. I think I'll probably save that for Monday's video. Yeah, it is what it is. For right now, I just want to continue getting this road done, but I also need to move dirt over here too, and I've already been moving rocks. I actually did that the other day, kind of off camera, but I'll get over here, I'll show you. Probably already been seeing it in the background, but I've been getting up here, just moving this big rock pile to the best of my ability, right? Because there's obviously a big stump right here. I do need to get up here and kind of move some of this limbs and stuff around. Just continue taking that over to the burn pile that we have on the other side of the pond. But just trying to move these rocks to the best of my ability. I've been getting it up here at least out of this line of the concrete, right? Because what I'm planning on doing, because we need to move that building first, right? So the shed room. Well, all this dirt that I've been piling up right here, I'm gonna try to build kind of like a little bit of a ramp on the side of the concrete. And then we also need to come up over, I need to come up over here with the tractor and start getting this area right here leveled out. Which I don't know. I'm probably just gonna come through and dig it with the backhoe, but all in all, as it comes down to it, I need to continue. So where this has been cut into the ridge, right? That's gonna have to be continued all the way down, right? Of having this area cleared out. So this is gonna be a big work in progress. Obviously not gonna happen all in one video, but it needs to happen. A lot of this needs to happen before I can move that building. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to work around it. And yeah, I don't want to have to do that. So I want to get it all done and then move the building. So for right now, let's go ahead and finish out this road and let's get this thing going. Okay, well, that's the noise that you hear whenever the camera's overheating. So obviously the screen's turned off, but it should still be recording. Now obviously, you know, I'm gonna have some high spots, low spots, just try to do the best I can. Obviously this was the widest right here because it spreads out. Now, like I said, this is just gonna be a base layer. So eventually we will bring in more materials, whatnot, and whenever that happens, I'm more than likely going to have him come all the way up here and actually do a run, like a full run out of spreading, right? So that way I don't have to do it with the tractor and have it look like this, right? Plus I don't want it to spread out because I'm gonna have to clean a lot of that up over there with a shovel and rake. Not too worried about this side because we're still working on all this over here. So eventually we're going to have materials brought in to be able to fill this out, right? Like I said, base layer, because this is not going to be the final product that we're doing, but I'm just trying to get it in here, knocks down this dust, right, of all this stuff. And yeah, but I think it looks a lot gooder. So I can come in here, just knock down some of these high spots with the shovel and rake. Plus, you know, it's really hard to tell on camera, but like, because it does have like a little bit of a mound, and then it goes down a little bit and then kind of flattens out there next to the house. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it will be all right, because I do know whenever we're bringing in more material, I do want to fill this up a little higher, because right here is like a dip and then it comes back up. Right here I do have a couple root balls that I might take out. I don't know, if I just got to cover them, I'll cover them. But then as we start going out that way, right, in the future, because we have to move all this stuff first before we can do that, right? But you can see, like, where I've been driving the tractor, I go out that way or we go that way. Well, we're gonna have to continue bringing our rock wall all the way around, and we're gonna kind of circle this around, and that rock wall is gonna go all the way around excuse me, kind of pretty close to like where the fence is, right? So as that's circling around, this area right here is going to be right driveway. So that will come all the way up and then kind of circle back into here. And then this will be garden space with a driveway coming down this whole area right here. And then, yeah. So a lot of work, a lot of different things. Obviously, we've talked about doing this all in stages, right? It'll all be done in stages. So this is pretty much good for right now. It's doing what I need it to do, and that's to knock down the dust. It also, whenever we have rain events, it won't turn all this into just a muddy mess. But I do need to kind of take care of this, get all this pushed up against the concrete to start getting a ramp right here. So whenever it's time to move this thing, we're going to bring it this way off of the concrete, kind of down the little dirt ramp. And then once it's here, we'll be able to slide it that way, and we're just going to leave it. That's why I don't want to really bring in any material up here yet until after that is moved. And possibly, well, I do need to move that too, but we're going to have to build some type of floor for that. That way we can just lift that up, set it onto some skids, and then be able to move that one around as well. And this thing is just going to the trash. But that's going to be one of our next projects. We do need to get stuff out of this thing. So look forward to that coming here very soon, because we have some stuff in here that we don't want getting wet. Because as you see, got a refrigerator, a bunch of junk, a lot of my shop tools that I did not want getting wet, our freezer that needs to come out. So yeah, we're gonna start getting this stuff out. A lot of the stuff that's in here, that's in the boxes and the things, is shop stuff, right? Other than a few things of mom and dad's, that's gonna go over to the gray one, right? But temporarily, we're just gonna have to put a lot of this stuff either over here or over into the Playhouse and just kind of get this thing emptied out so we can get rid of it. It's not doing us any good right now being torn. So yeah, it is what it is. One day closer, friends. One day closer. So that's it. That's all I got for you on this one. We have extended our driveway and such. We're just continuing to mold our land to what we want it to be, and just enjoying the journey while we can. And hopefully here within the next week, temps are going to come down dramatically. And yeah, we can't wait. Cannot wait. It'll be more pleasant getting out here and doing this work. So all right, well, if you enjoy this journey we call life, then give us that subscribe. If you're new here and you've made it this far, hit that like button down there. Share us out, help us grow. It always helps the algorithm stuff, right? So with that all being said, if you'd like to stick around on this journey we call life, go ahead and check out this video we have right here, or the whole year's playlist over on this side. Continues to grow as the year progresses. Then we have the icons at the top, make it easy to subscribe both here and to our side channel. Go check that out. And then last but not least, get out there, thank a veteran every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. We'll see you on the next one. Later, friends.